Guys, want to turn a simple logo into something epic? Well, in this video I'll show you how you can create this modern and professional logo animation in After Effects. It's very simple and easy to follow techniques that deliver a cinematic result. Alright, so first make a new composition and everything looks fine, so I'll click on just OK. This time frame is around 10 seconds, so it's fine. Let's import our logo in the composition and then pre-compose it. So guys, this is our logo and now I'm going to add a fill to it to make it black. And now change its fill to black because we just want to see the borders, not the entire logo. Now guys, after adding the fill, we will add another effect to this which is called CC light sweep. And now guys, in the effect controls, change the sweep intensity to 0 because we just want to see the borders. And I'm going to increase the edge intensity along with the width. Now if you go to direction and play with your direction, you will see this is how your animation is gonna look like. And for now I'll make it 0. And now guys, change the center of this slide sweep to the center of the logo. Perfect. Now this entirely depends on you how many colors you want to add, so I'll be adding 2 more colors, so I'll make 2 duplicate layers of this slide sweep by pressing Ctrl D. Now in this second light sweep, I'll change its color to, let's say, green. And in the third light sweep, I'll change its color to blue. Now to change the position of these colors, I'll go to the direction of this second sweep and I'll make it something like this. And for the third, I'll make it like this. Now guys, to give some animation to these lines, we have to keyframe the direction property of all these 3 light sweep layers effects. And now by selecting this layer, press U to see your keyframes. Select all the keyframes and shift it to the start so the animation starts with the video. So guys, after a few frames, I want these all colors to stop at this point, so I'll go to the direction of this first sweep and I'll make it 2. Then move to the next one and make it 2 and then 0. And same with the third one, 2 and 0. Now let's preview how this is gonna look. Now you can increase or decrease the time of this animation by moving these keyframes, and also select all these keyframes and press F9 to easy ease. Alright guys, so the next effect which I'll add to this main layer is glow. And in the glow settings, change the glow radius to around 50 and glow intensity to around 1.2 or 1.3 and decrease the threshold to around 50 or 45. Great. And now guys, like we did with the light sweep, I'll make another copy of this glow because we will be using multiple glows. Now in this second glow, change the radius of this glow to around 150 and then make another copy. And in the third glow, increase its radius to around 500 and then make another copy. And in this fourth glow, make its glow radius to the maximum, which is 1000. Now this is how this animation is going to be. Now let's close all these glows because we are done with these glow settings. Now for example guys, you want to increase the brightness of this, so you will go to this light sweep, add a keyframe wherever you want, so I'll add a keyframe right here and then I will increase its width to around something like this. And guys, let's just change the direction of this sweep, so I'll go to this direction and I'll make it to something like this. Now for example guys, from the start, if you don't want to see these lines, so what you can do is go to the light sweep, extend them all and make a keyframe on the width of all and make them 0 at the start. And now after a few frames, change its value to around 70. So guys, our edge lining animation is now complete, but it's now time to reveal this complete logo. So what I'll do is I'll go to these effects and I'll search for CC Composite. And in this composite, you can change the opacity of this logo. So I'll make it 0 at the start, not at the start but in the middle, and then I'll make it 100. Now guys, if you want to remove these background lights, you can go to your CC sweep and decrease its opacity, width to around 0. Alright, so now there is no glow in the background. Alright guys, so we are almost done, but at this point I want to give this logo a final glow. So I'll extend this very first light sweep. And in this first light sweep, I'll increase its width again. And also I need to increase this sweep intensity, so I'll make a keyframe at this point, and then after a few frames I'll make it, and then decrease all the values to 0. You can increase or decrease the time frame by moving these keyframes. And guys, to give this animation a circular glow, go to the direction, make a keyframe, and after a few frames change the direction of this. Alright guys, so this was all about it. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and comment below if you have any queries or any question.